Today, I'm unboxing and reviewing a DVI to HDMI adapter by Directional DVI male to HDMI female converter. Let's see what this thing can do. I bought this DVI to HDMI adapter from Amazon. If you are planning to buy then, I will put the link in description, go check out. If you're trying to connect a device with a DVI output, like your laptop or desktop, to a display with an HDMI input, like your TV or monitor, you're going to need a DVI to HDMI adapter. Now, there are a lot of different adapters on the market, but the bidirectional DVI male to HDMI female converter. This adapter supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1210 1080p Full HD. So, whether you're trying to watch a movie or play a game, you'll be able to enjoy it in high definition. If you found this review helpful, then please hit that like button below and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Until next time everyone, I wish you all good luck in finding the right adapters for all your needs.